Hello friends, very good evening to everybody. I am Namita, your friend, welcoming you to my channel. So friends, we are done with the first question from unit 2. Now we will do second question. State any 5 characteristics of culture. Okay, so let's start. Friends, in exam when you will write the question, before write the characteristics of culture, you have to write 3 to 4 lines about culture. Okay, after that you will write the characteristics of a culture. So the first characteristics is the learned quality. Culture is a learned quality. What do you mean by learned quality? Friends, see, individual is not born with culture. We are not born with culture. We will learn gradually. Culture is a learned process. A person molds one own self according to the environment, according to the society, according to their home, their family, he will learn. Okay, so that's why it is called culture is learned quality. The second characteristic is the transmittive quality. What do you mean by transmittive? Transfer from one generation to another generation. So culture is conserved and transmitted from generation to generation. Their values will transmit, their beliefs, your practices, how you will practice, your spirituals, your skills will generate generation to generation. What will happen? Transfer. Okay, how your mother will worship, you will do like that. So the practices, the skills will transfer. The third characteristic is culture is cumulative. What do you mean by cumulative? Cumulative means, friends, add up, increase, grow up. See, it means culture, the cultural traits, the traditions are gradually increase and adds up. What do you mean by that? See friends, for example, for history we can say, first we studied about Indus Valley civilization, then we studied about the Vedic period, early Vedic, later Vedic period, about Buddhism, next came the Mahajanapadas, next came Mauryans. What happened? It is adds up. Everybody's culture, everybody's traditions are adds up. So that is called cumulative. So the history of mankind, understand, history of mankind is the history of culture. It is nothing the culture. Okay, it adds up. First came Indus Valley civilization, next Vedic, next Mahajanapada, like that it will add. Okay, ancient, now medieval, modern, like that. Now the fourth characteristics is culture is adaptive. What do you mean by adaptive? See, you will adapt that culture which is comfortable for you. Okay, culture changes as society change. People change culture or adds to adapt in a particular environment. Okay, we will change to our comfort zone. Okay, every generation adds something new and modifies old culture, so it is adaptive. Okay, now culture is sad and symbolic. Friends, all cultures share their basic features. We have culture with other members. We will share with our other members of a group. Okay, we share our culture. Symbol. By seeing symbol, we can direct or guide. See, for examples, we can say this is Hindu symbols, this is Christian symbols. Seeing this, we can guess. Okay, it will guide you. Culture is sad and symbolic. And particularly you can see characteristics of some Indian culture are Sat, Chit, Anand. What do you mean by Sat, Chidanand? Sat, Chit and Anand. Truth, knowledge and bliss. You can say Sat, Chit and Anand to Ishvara, Lord Ishwar. Truth and non-violence. Service to mankind is service to God. This is our culture, Indian culture. Material things are secondary. Material things are secondary, spirituals are first. Okay? So, these are the characteristics of culture. Culture is learned quality. Culture is transmittive. Culture is cumulative. Culture is adaptive. Culture is sad and symbolic. Okay, these are the 5 characteristics of a culture. I hope you understood, and if you didn't understand, let me know in the comment box if any doubt is there, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you for watching my video. Namaste.